Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Mario Kart Tour. To change your name in Mario Kart Tour, first of all, launch the Mario Kart Tour application on your device and log into your account. From the main screen, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Now click on the settings button at the bottom right, and this will take you to this page where you'll need to go all the way up and look for your username. Tap the pencil icon right next to your displayed name and then erase the current one and type down a new one. And finally, you will be able to save your new name on your profile. That is how you can easily change your name on Mario Kart Tour. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.